Hello guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to be making this particular file design. So I'm going to walk you through all the processes and how I came up with this. Alright, so let's get started. First thing we are going to do is to go to file, then you create a new project. Alright, so we are going to be working with this dimension here, this particular dimension here. So you leave it as inches, the width and the height 5x5, resolution 300. So you hit on create. Alright, so this is our working interface. So the next thing we are going to do basically is to enable our layout, guide layout. So the purpose of this layout is for us to have a balanced work in our canvas. Alright, so this white guy here, we call it working canvas. Alright, so the next thing we are going to do now is to bring in our background. Alright, so I'll go to where we're going to be working through this resource file. Don't worry, after this video I'm going to drop the exercise file in the description below. Alright, so this is the background. I'm going to drag this guy here, put it here. So you hit Ctrl T on your keyboard so they can scale it through like this. Alright. Okay, I think this is cool. Alright, this is cool. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do now is to brush through this part. Like we are going to like cut it off because we don't need it in this design. So I'm going to hit on this particular button here, which is called Add Layer Mask. So this is our layer mask here. So I'm going to go to the tool here and pick my brush tool. So this is my brush tool here, and I'm just going to like brush out these parts just like so. Alright, Alright, this is cool. Alright, so the next thing we are going to do now is to bring in our model, this fine lady here. Alright, so we drag it here just like so. Alright, this is cool. We're going to increase it a little bit. Alright, so yeah, what we're going to do to this model right now is to like change the positioning of this model. I mean, the way this model is facing, we need that to face to the right side. So you hit Ctrl T on your keyboard and you left click on your mouse, then you hit flip horizontal. So yes, we have it like this. Alright, this is cool. So the next thing we are going to do is to bring in our text tool. The font I'm going to be using the font Poppins. Yeah, Poppins. Where you at? Poppins. Alright, Poppins. Alright, this is cool, and we're going to put in our text here. Okay, so we're going to like adjust the text. We're going to give it a little bit of space. Then we'll go here, maybe that's also, no, this is too much. Let's give it 12. Let's give it 14. Let's give it 16. Let's give it 18. I'll go with this 24. Alright, this 24 is good. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do now is to scroll this text. Alright, or we put it at bold italic. Alright. So we increase this a little bit. So we put here. Alright, this is cool. So I think we should put this to extra bold italic. Alright, this is awesome. So the next thing we are going to do is to bring in our shape. This is shape 2. We are just going to draw a rectangle just like so. A rectangle like this. Alright, so we draw a rectangle like this and pop out the properties to here. So the properties to here is where you can like change the color, like you want to apply color to your box, you want to change the size of the videos. Okay, so we're just going to go to the color here and we're going to like pick a color from our background here. Alright, so I think this is cool. Alright, so this is our rectangle shape. So we're just going to like change the corner radius. The corner radius to 10. Okay, then we change the color here. We pick the color from the background here, from this cloud here or the sky. Alright, so just like so. Alright, this is cool. And just increase this a little bit. Alright, this is cool. So we can just change the opacity. Go to opacity here. Let's put it at 90. Alright, it's 19, it's okay. So the next thing we are going to do now is to bring in our texture again. Here's our texture. Put it here, and we're going to write cryptocurrencies. Alright. So let's change this font back to semi-medium. Semi-bold. I said semi-medium. Semi-bold. Alright, semi-bold there. Alright, so we're going to change the color to white. And we're going to like center, align this like this and like this. Very good. So the next thing we're going to do now is to take these two guys together, this currency text, because we are still going to use it again, and this rectangle shape. Then you hit Ctrl J. Ctrl J is just for you to like double a particular element on your working interface. Okay, so we're going to use Ctrl T. We're going to let's change the text first. Let's change the text to gift cards. Alright, this is cool. Let's take this here, and the box here, we're going to reduce it a little bit. Alright, we center align this with it together. Alright, this is cool. So the next thing we are going to do now is to bring in our gift card here. So we drag it here, Ctrl T on your keyboard to reduce the size of the card. Put it here. Okay, I think I'm okay with this. Then we go back to our resource file again. We bring this guy here. We drop it here. Alright, this is cool. We move it up a little bit, and this gift card there, Ctrl G again. You put it like this. Alright, this is cool. So the next thing we are going to do now is this particular coin, this coin here, this Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other coins here. We want it to have like a shadow, like a transparent at the lower part of it. So what we are going to do is to double this particular coins. Ctrl J, don't forget. So we've doubled it. We use Ctrl 3 on our keyboard, and we hold shift like this, and your keyboard like this. Alright, this is cool. Or you hit the left click on your mouse, then you flip vertical, then you drag it down like this. Alright, this is cool. So what we are going to do to this guy is to reduce the opacity. Let's reduce it to 20. No, this 20 is too much. Alright, let's leave it at 10 or 8. Let's leave it at 8. Alright, this is cool. Alright, so the next thing we are going to do now is to bring in these guys, Google Play, Bitcoin, and Amazon. So Google Play, Amazon, okay. So we copy it here. You can copy, you can drag it. So we're just going to copy and paste it here. Alright, so to copy any element, you hit Ctrl C on your keyboard, and to paste you hit Ctrl V. Alright, so we are just going to arrange these guys under this coin here. So we're going to adjust this Google Play. Okay, just like so. Like this. Let's increase this so we can see what we're doing. Increase it just like so. Alright, then the Bitcoin, the BTC, you take here. Alright, this is awesome. Then the Amazon, increase a little bit, you bring it there. This is beautiful. We're just going to reduce it a little bit. Yes, this is beautiful. Alright, so the next thing we are going to do is to bring in our rectangle here. That is our shape tool. Bring it here. Now we select the color, select this particular color. pretty cool. I will bring it down, just like so, right? This is cool, this is super cool. Okay, so the next thing here is we go back to our model. We're just going to adjust this model like this, right? Okay, yes, this is cool. So we're going to apply a lighting effect on our model here to give you that kind of feel, you understand? So we're going to do that by hitting this particular plus icon here called create new layer. Alright, so we're just going to hit on it, then go to our brush tool here, brush tool. So we're going to pick our color here by holding Alt on your keyboard. So just press it once, click it, and you do it this way. Alright, this is cool. So we're going to change the blending mode to screen. Alright, and we're going to reduce the opacity to 50. Good. This is awesome. This is pretty good. Alright, so the next thing we are going to do now is we'll go back to this guy here. This is our rectangle shape here. So we are going to draw another rectangle on it. Okay, it's another layout. So draw it like this. Alright, this is cool. I'm going to change the color to white. Yes, to white. Yes. And change the corner radius to 8. Yes. Okay. 8. Okay. Let's just leave it at 8. Alright. So the next thing we're going to do now is to bring in our info, the contact info of this particular brand. Info here. Take it like this. Okay. We take it and we drag it here. Alright. So Ctrl T to reduce it and put it on the rectangle shape. Alright, just like this. Alright, this is cool. So we're going to reduce this shape like this. Alright, that's cool. Alright, so we bring in our text again. Because we're going to write something here. Okay, alright. So we're just going to write keeping you relaxed. And don't worry, we're still going to see what we're typing here. Satisfy. Alright, so we're just going to reduce the size of this text so we can see what we are writing here. Alright, this is cool. So we're going to change this to semi-bold italic. Alright. So keeping you relaxed and satisfied with her amazing space. Alright, so we're going to reduce the spacing between this keeping and the other one. Alright, we don't want too much space, so we go to the properties here, then we put it at let's put it at 8. Okay, good. So this is awesome. I'm going to increase this a little bit, and you put it like this, alright, this is cool, this is super cool. So then our logo, we'll put our logo here. This is our logo, the logo for the brand. Copy and paste. Alright, so this is our logo, we put it here. Alright, this is cool. So the next thing we're going to do is to put this guy here, this flux of bed. Alright, this flux of bed there, drag it just to give it, just add some kind of feel to this our sky here. So okay, so we're just going to like increase it a little bit, put it here just like so. Okay, and we're going to go to the blending mode to let it blend with our sky. Alright, so you can just walk through the blending mode that works best for your project. Alright, so for this project we are going to leave it at overlay, and we change the opacity to 50. Alright, this is cool. Alright, this is cool, and we double it by hitting Ctrl J on our keyboard and put it here. Alright, this is cool. So the next thing we are going to do before we end this tutorial is to add more lightings to our project. Alright, so we have one lighting here, so we are just going to like double this because we are going to use it somewhere else. Ctrl J on your keyboard, then hit Ctrl G to take it like this, and you bring it down. Alright, just like this, you bring it down here, and you take it above the rectangle, this particular rectangle here. Okay, you take it above, and we change the blending mode to okay, take it above, we'll change the blending mode to vivid lights. Let's try this vivid lights. Show me that vivid lights. The opacity is 10. No, I don't like this. Let's change it. Okay, linear dodge. Reduce opacity to 50. Alright, this is cool. So we go back to our text here, always buying, and we hit another layer here, then we go back to our brush tool and alt on our keyboard to pick color, then we hit it like this. Alright, so So we go back to our blending mode, we change it to lighter color. Alright, put it on lighter color. Okay, so yes, lighter color. Alright, this is awesome. This is awesome. So guys, we have okay. The next thing we are going to do now is to add our overlay. And we bring this overlay guy here. We drop here. Okay. We scale it all over the project. Alright, so we reduce the opacity to 5 or 3. Alright, this is cool. Alright guys, so we have come to the end of this tutorial. Alright, so if you like this tutorial, please kindly do it to like this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment on my videos and share with friends. Alright, so yes, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.